I'm very pleased to present to you today a proposal which will have a radical effect on the cost of and simplicity of doing business in the EU. A proposal which will remove one of the major obstacles for companies in our single market, saving businesses up to 15 billion euro a year. A proposal which will also facilitate greater tax compliance and, as such, offer member states important new revenues without the need for higher taxes. I am talking about the new standard VAT return, which the Commission has adopted today. The standard declaration should improve VAT compliance across the EU as taxpayers better understand what's required. So I am confident that the simplifications of the standard VAT return will bear fruit and that member states will enjoy increased revenues as a result of greater compliance. To conclude, the standard VAT return presents a win-win situation. Businesses will enjoy simpler procedures, reduced costs, and less red tape. Today's proposal, therefore, supports the EU's core commitments to a business-friendly single market and growth-friendly consolidation in the EU.